Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Makeup Fun with Olivia. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my July Stitch Fix box, and it's July because it got here on the very last day of July, but by the time it airs it's going to be an August box. So anyways, here is my box. I have not opened it yet. I just pulled these back right now, but I want to open them with you. For those of you that don't know what Stitch Fix is, it's a subscription box. You pay $20 per month for a styling fee, and you get a stylist that chooses 4 to 5 items based on your quiz that you take at the beginning when you subscribe. Those $20 will be applied to anything that you may want to purchase. If you don't want to purchase anything, they do get to keep that $20 fee. It's non-refundable. That's never happened to me yet because I always like something and I end up keeping it. They do send a bag with you, which you'll see in a second. So if you don't like items or if you don't like anything, you can send it all back at no cost to you. You can change stylists every month if you want, or if you like somebody and they kind of get you and get your style, then you can click, because there is kind of a checkout process. You have an app that you can download, and when you check out, when you get your box, you let them know whether you liked it, whether you like the fit, whether you like the pricing, or not. And so the more feedback you give, then the more they know how to customize your next box. So without further ado, let's jump in. Here is the bag that you can put your items in if you do want to return it. And you get this little card with a note from your stylist. I love these little notes. And then you get some additional ideas on your items. I'm not going to look at that now because I don't want to mess up the surprise. You also get a little letter which lists all of your items and the price and the total, with a 25% discount if you buy everything in the box. If you don't return anything, it's kind of like motivation to buy everything. Like, I need motivation, right? But one of the things that I like about my box, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. One of the things that I really like about this box is that they have items for plus size ladies like me. When I go shopping, in the past, I went shopping and I would come out so depressed because items either fit me too big, made me look like a big bag, they were boxy, or they were too tight, or the material was too flimsy and showed every one of my little curves that I didn't want to be showing. I mean, I couldn't find short and chunky plus size because I've got a big booty on me and big chest and big everything. But I'm very curvy too, so if I bought something that fit my hips, then it would be too big in the waist. And those are the kind of things that you get to tell them in that quiz, because they'll ask you, when you put a top on, how does it feel to you at the shoulders? How does it, is it usually too big for you? Is it usually too small for you, or too big at the waist? So they kind of ask you those types of questions so they know what types of things to send you. So let's jump in. And every month when I give feedback, when I do a checkout, I also send a little note to my stylist to let her know I have a barbecue coming up, or I have an interview coming up, or the most recent box that I got, if you haven't seen it, I'll list it down below. I told her, I'm at home. I need comfy clothes, but cute clothes, because I want to be able to go outside and take a walk and not be embarrassed as, whatever I'm wearing. And also I told her I have a YouTube channel, so cute items to wear for my YouTube channel is also helpful. I like that. This time I told her I need clothes for work. My position at work has changed and it's a good thing, but I need nicer clothes because I'm going to be in meetings with higher ups. And so who knows what she sent me today. Let's see. Let's jump in. I'm going to tear this open. And let's jump into the first item. So the very first one, first of all, it feels very soft to the touch. Oh, okay, we got it. So this is, I am plus size, so it's a bigger size. Now, technically, one of the things I don't like is no sleeves. But every now and then, and I've always put this in my description or in my feedback, if you think it's something really cute that I'll love, send it to me, try it. I'm willing to experiment. So I do like that it's black and it has this kind of knit side as well, which is really pretty. So yeah, I don't like that this doesn't have any sleeves, but I do think it's pretty. So let's go on to the next one. Oh, and I forgot to tell you who that was by, because you can also go online to these brands and buy directly from them. It doesn't have to be from Stitch Fix. So this one is called 9 Britton. 9 Britton, and it is XXL. I usually use XL, so this also looks a little bit big, but who knows? I am so curvy. If things run small, and she knew that, she got me an XXL. And I am busty too, so maybe it's fine. Okay, the next one is by Daniel Rainn. I'm liking the colors, Daniel Rainn. Ooh, this is cute. Cute, cute, cute. Ooh, I love the pink on here. I love pink. You guys know I love pinks and purples. I wish the pink were in front, but this is a knit, and it's a little bit heavier knit, which is really nice. Oh, there's some pink up front there. Ooh, this looks super comfy. So yeah, it is a knit, but it's kind of a thicker knit, which is very nice. It doesn't feel flimsy at all. It feels heavier, and I do like things a little bit heavier, so they just, you know, they don't fall onto my every like little curve. It just, you know, falls down nicely. So this is cute, and it has a little bit of sleeves. Yay! Oh, this already looks pretty. Daniel Rainn also. I guess I like Daniel Rainn. Look at this. This is right up my alley, you guys. I'm normally not a very flowery person, but I do like color and I like bright. So if the flowers are the, you know, what is going to be bright, I'm all about that. I love the blue here and the little sleeves. I like that it has these little details here on the front. And oh yeah, I like this. This is also kind of like a not too light, but not too heavy either, because I get hot. It can't be too heavy. So I'm really picky in that way. But my stylist seems to knock it out of the ballpark lately. Well, not lately, just I've had her for a few months actually. I think for a year maybe, because at first I was switching it up. I would put on there, give me somebody new, and they were okay, but once I got this stylist, I've kept her for a while. So anyways, I think this is really cute. Ooh, another Daniel Rainn. So guess what? Some nice colors. Oh, I can see myself wearing this for work. This is really nice, and it's long sleeve, and it has stretchy wrists, which is nice because I do have thicker arms. Oh, this looks so pretty, and it has this detail here. I'm not very good at describing details, you guys. And it looks like, or it feels like, yes, it has a black layer inside. I love it when they have an extra layer, especially for these sheer fabrics. I'm loving this one. Love, love, love this one. And I like that it's open at the bottom. If you've seen my Stitch Fixes before, you know that I don't like to be constricted at the bottom because I have a big waist. So I love this one. This might be my favorite. Last item. Ooh. Okay, so this is clearly for work. It's by Kenzie. And it is a blazer. So in my little note to her, I said, I need stuff for work. I need blazers. I need them to be professional, but fun. Not boring, not old lady. And it looks like she did good. Oh, this is like a magenta. Oh, I love this. And it has a lining on the inside. Let's see. It looks like it has some pockets here, but they're sewed in right now. It might be a faux pocket. I don't see it. I'll check it out later. Yeah, but I'm loving this. Loving this. It looks like it has a very thin pad here, very thin, so not too bad. We're not going back to the 80s or anything, even though you guys know I'm an 80s gal. I like this. It looks like it's cinched in a little bit too. Not cinched in, but like the way that it's sewn. Yeah, this is nice. I like this. I really like this. Okay, so I'm going to go and try these items on. I'm not sure if I'm just going to take pictures or do a little bit of video, but let's roll the camera. Okay, whew, I'm hot from trying on all those clothes. That was fun though. What did you think? Which one is your favorite? Which one should I keep and which one should I send back? Let's go through them really quick. I'm gonna put on my glasses and I'm gonna leave them low so that the glare doesn't show up on video. So I'm gonna look at our list here. The first item is the Kenzie Marni notched collar blazer in burgundy. The price of this is $88. Considering how much I've paid for blazers that I'm not even 100% on, $88 is a good deal for me, especially because it fits right and I love that color. I love the burgundy color. So I'm keeping that. The next one is Daniel Rainn Finley high-low cap sleeve knit top in navy, and this is for $58. I really like the pink on here, but I love that it's so colorful and I love how this drapes on me. Super comfortable, very breathable, but you know, very drapey. I like that. So probably keeping that one. By the way, you can choose the pricing on things and you can always go back in and change, like send me, you know, the lowest priced items that you have for blouses. Like I'm willing to pay more for shoes, for example, and blazers. But for tops, you know, I want them inexpensive, but I really want them to fit and to look good and to feel good. So I'm willing to pay a little bit more, because if I end up going to Lane Bryant or someplace like that, which I also like, but they're so pricey. So this is not too bad. Okay, the third one is 9 Britton Dailey mixed material in black, and this is $38. Although I like this price, oops, and it's inside out. I don't like that it's sleeveless. It was way too low here, and it showed my bra. I don't know if you saw it or not. I tried to hide it, but yeah, I really like this side knit. It's really pretty. I like that it's black. But yeah, and I like this top up here. I just don't like that it's, you know, it's sleeveless, and not only is it sleeveless, maybe if it were like a smaller like opening, but really I'd rather have a sleeve. So this is probably gonna go back. So I'm not gonna get my 25% off. And the next one is probably my favorite, from Daniel Rainn, Teagin Elegant Blouse in black. And this one is for $68. I love this one. Love this one, and I love how it goes with the blazer. It's sheer perfection. I mean, yeah, this goes with it. Perfect. I love this detail on the V-neck. It is a little bit low for me, but it looked so pretty. I think it felt really nice. I like that it has the lining underneath. Definitely keeping this one. The last one is also by Rainn. It's a Saharey tassel knit top in navy, and this one is $58. These are prices that I pay at Macy's and at Lane Bryant, you guys. So I know it sounds like it's a lot, but it's so hard to find something when you're chunky and short and curvy. So anyway, this is the next one, and it's for $58. And I love the color on this. I love the fabric. It kind of feels like a heavy, I don't want to say t-shirt, but it kind of feels, but it's really smooth, like the smoothest t-shirt you can think of. But it's thick though, but not so thick that I felt really hot. And I really like the tassel here. Let's see where it ties. Oh, it's stuck in the, yeah, that's okay. And I like this, I like the color, and I love that it has bright pink. I love this. So 4 out of 5. I think I did really good. I like that she tried something, even though, you know, she tries stuff, and I like that. I like to try things because there have been some things without sleeves that I end up keeping. So anyways, thank you so much for joining me today. By the way, if you're interested in subscribing, I will put a referral link down below. You get a discount, I think $5 or $10 off. I can't even remember anymore. And so do I on my next box. If you don't want to use it, that's perfectly okay, but it is there in case you're interested. Thank you so much for joining me today. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And put in the comments down below which one your favorite was. All right, talk to you later. Bye.